Hi, I'm Magician Paul Weatherby, and in this tutorial we're going to be talking about the pinch drop coin vanish. Some magicians just call it the pinch vanish, which reminds me of a date that I had when I was a very young man. I gave her a pinch and then she vanished, but that's a different story for a different time. The pinch drop vanish, well, for the pinch drop you're going to need a coin. Here's a coin right here. The pinch drop is based on the French drop. If you don't know what a French drop is, you should look that up first and then watch this tutorial. Once you know what the French drop is, this is going to be a piece of cake. This is what the pinch drop vanish looks like. You have a coin, take it with your other hand, and it vanishes. Again, hold the coin, take it away, and it's gone. All that you're doing for the pinch drop is to pinch the coin between your first, second, and third fingers and your thumb. When you act like you're taking it away, all you do is move your thumb and let the coin fall in your hand, just like that. Again, just hold the coin, take your thumb away, and let it fall into your hand. When it falls into your hand, then you can do a finger palm and turn your hand over. It's important to get a feel for the way this would look naturally. So stand in front of a mirror or videotape yourself and get a feel for how it would look if you really were to take the coin in your right hand. Once you know how it looks when you really do it, then when you do the trick, it should look the same. That's the pinch drop coin vanish. Practice it. I hope you have fun with it. Check out weatherbymagic.com. I'm Paul Weatherby. Rock on and keep your magic strong.